Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hostinger for online store setup, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.hostinger.com and press enter. Once the Hostinger homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to choose a hosting plan. Select the plan that best fits your online store needs. After making your selection, click on the Add to Cart button. On the next page, you will see an option to register a new domain. Enter your desired domain name for your online store. Make sure to check the availability of the domain. If the domain name is available, you can proceed to the next step. Choose the domain extension that you prefer, like .com or .store. Once you've selected your domain, scroll down and click on Continue. If you don't want to register a new domain, there should be an option to use an existing one. Afterward, you will be directed to the order summary page. Review your selected plan and domain to ensure everything is correct. Next, scroll down to choose a payment plan duration. Select a plan duration that suits your business. Enter your payment details in the provided fields. Make sure to check all necessary information for accuracy. Next, locate and tick the checkbox to accept Hostinger's terms of service. Once you've reviewed everything, click on the Submit Secure Payment button. After processing your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to create your Hostinger account. You will be asked to set a password for your new account. Once your password is set, log in to your Hostinger account. In your dashboard, locate the section for website setup. Choose the option for setting up a new online store. Follow the prompts to select your website builder and desired e-commerce features. Customize your online store by adding products, setting prices, and personalizing design elements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.